Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily recover all your deleted messages on Messenger. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not root to advice. So this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you want to do is to open your App Store or your Play Store. Now once you open your App Store, your Play Store, then you search for your Facebook application over here. Now once you search for your Facebook, you need to make sure your Facebook is updated. So if your Facebook is not updated, you need to make sure you're using the latest version of your Facebook application over here. So just go ahead and then update your Facebook application. Now once you have updated your Facebook, all you want to do is to open your Facebook, and once you open your Facebook, click on the three lines at the upper right corner over here, or you can click on menu. And once you click on menu over here, you can see settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy, and once you click on settings and privacy, just scroll to where you can see download your information. Click on download your information and click on continue. Now once you click on continue over here, it's going to take you to this place and you can see request a download. Click on that, and once you click on that, you have to select the account, or you log into the account you want to recover 8 messages. Now once you are done with that, you can see the second option says select types of information. Click on the second option, and once you click on that, it's going to take you to this place. So you can see the third option which says messages. Click on that, and once you click on messages, click on next. And once you click on that, I will advise you to choose the second option which says format HTML. Click on that, and once you are done with that, click on submit request. So just wait as it is submitting your request over here, and you can see request a download. So click on request a download over here, and then make sure you have logged into the account, and you click on next. So once you are done with all this, just exercise patience. It takes some time, so the download option will be activated. So just wait over here, and once you wait for a while, the file will be sent to you. So it is a file over here. Once you click on request a download, so just wait for a while over here, click on done, and the file will be sent to you. So all you want to do is to just open your file over here, and once you open your file, it's gonna take you there for you to see all your chats. So just open your file. It takes some minutes, so just wait. Once you have submitted your request, just wait for a while, and it will be sent to you in your file over here. So with this, you can recover your deleted messages on Messenger. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button, so that anytime I upload a new video